Now we will discuss about the physical property of aldehyde and ketones. Formaldehyde is the only aldehyde which is a pungent smelling gas. It's 40% aqueous solution. 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde is called formalin. It is called formalin, and this formalin is used as a preservative for biological specimens. Other aldehydes and ketones are liquid or solid. Now next important point, that is, as the molecular mass of these aldehydes increases, then they become less pungent to more fragrant. And that is the reason some naturally occurring aldehydes, they are used as a blending agent for flavoring agents as well as for perfumes. Another important point, aldehydes are polar in nature. Aldehyde as well as ketone, both are polar. And due to polar nature, what happens? They have a strong dipole-dipole interaction. A strong dipole-dipole intermolecular attraction, so their boiling points are high. And their boiling points are higher than corresponding ethers, hydrocarbons as well as alkyl halides. But the boiling point of aldehyde and ketones are lower than corresponding alcohols. Reason here, the alcohol molecules have a strong intermolecular hydrogen bonding, which is stronger than dipole-dipole interactions. That's why the boiling point of alcohol is higher than aldehyde and ketones. But there is a very important point. The boiling point of ketone is slightly higher than corresponding aldehyde. Corresponding means same number of carbon atoms. Reason here, in case of ketone, there are two electron releasing group directly attached with carbonyl carbon, which makes them slightly more polar than aldehyde, which carries only one alkyl group. And due to this, the dipole-dipole intermolecular attraction of aldehyde or of ketones is stronger than aldehyde. That's why the ketone have high boiling point. We can this easily understand with that example. For example, propanol has boiling point 322 Kelvin, while propanone CH3COCH3, it has the boiling point 329 Kelvin. So you can clearly observe the boiling point of ketone is higher than corresponding aldehyde. This is about the boiling point. Now if we go for the solubility, then aldehydes and ketones with lower molecular masses are soluble in water, and their solubility is due to formation of intermolecular hydrogen bonding with water molecule. For example, if we can take the simple example of any aldehyde general structure, they are able to form hydrogen bonding with water molecule like this. That's why they are soluble in water. But as their molecular mass increases, the solubility of aldehyde decreases, because this non-polar alkyl group, which becomes larger in size, interfere in the formation of hydrogen bonding with water molecules. That's why as the molecular mass increases, the solubility of aldehyde and ketones decreases in water.